This video is for Allah's favorite person, someone he loves in a way most people around them don't even realize. I don't know their name, but I have a feeling it might be you. Give me a few minutes and let's find out. When we hear favorite, we imagine one person picked over everyone else, like there is a single winner and the rest are runners. But Allah's closeness doesn't work like that. He can be intimately near to you in a way that feels like you're his only concern, while being equally near to someone else the exact same way, at the exact same moment. If you feel like this video is speaking directly to you, that's not a coincidence, competing with anyone else. That's just how personally Allah pays attention. The people Allah is closest to aren't always the ones with the most visible faith, the loudest du'as, the most public good deeds. Sometimes it's the person quietly holding themselves together through something nobody else knows about. The one who still prays even when it feels empty. The one who forgave someone in silence and never mentioned it. If that sounds like you, that's not coincidence either. That's exactly the kind of person Allah pays the closest attention to. Don't confuse being close to Allah with being spared from difficulty. Allah says in the Quran, "And we will surely test you with something of fear and hunger and a loss of wealth, lives, and fruits. But give good tidings to the patient." Closeness to Allah was never about ease. It was about being trusted enough to be tested and still turning back to Him anyway. If your life has felt hard lately, that's not distance from Him. It might be exactly the opposite. If even a small part of you believes this video found you for a reason, don't let the feeling pass without a response. Say one honest thing to Allah right now. Thank Him, ask Him, or simply tell Him you noticed. That response is how you receive what this reminder was actually trying to give you. This video was for Allah's favorite person. If it felt like it was speaking to you, it probably was. Comment, "It's me," if you felt that. And if someone you know needs to feel chosen today, send this to them. Allah Hafiz.